sick John stomach. I can tell you
But
that.
up to this morning, our short Regina name again, the waterman, Samuda, was on nationwide. And him say, yes, yeah, discussion, and it is a long time, something nothing new. It's a long time, just expand it wider now.
Exactly.
It overport more. And because of that, yeah, right. And because of that, it brings in more customer because they want to get them on the grid. You know, the system. So he might try to justify the life because him talk the life with so much confidence. Like him know. Like somebody in there tell him something.
That's all. But we don't have to understand, you know. I don't have to get this in our head, you know. We don't feel like, say, the PNP, them don't know what them are do. Them know exactly what them are do. Them are create headline, big man, to keep them relevant. You don't have to understand. Listen, you remember the housing trust. You remember the housing trust thing where the blind man come out pan when name and them key press conference.
Yeah. When they attack, the senator with them have the attack.
Yes, you remember.
Morris.
Yeah, Clyde Morris. Yes, come spread misinformation. You remember all the time, you know. Daniel Draws, you know, come spread them just want to create headline, big man. Walking out of parliament, going on the street, talking to the media, them are create headline because they want to keep relevant. You know, for understand.
No, we understand that, Alka. We know that because them dead in the water. Them dead. But even before the conference, them spread them a circulate a false news, propaganda about conference now keep.
No, Damien Crawford started, right? But guess what? Guess what got son? Them when the election run Friday and them winning at them stronghold, cause them checks say them me no know them checks say them in a them stronghold, you know, in a them two stronghold.
Them no win nothing, man. Them no win. Them did have it already. Them check back in town.
Yeah, them win CMW, man. A win is a win. But when them win. Give them it, and then win. Right. So when I try to make you know, say no, when the boy talk to Cliff Hughes, that are the dread boy. See, him say the PNP, the JLP can almost cancel them conference. Because when them feel like, say, labor right down, you see when them see the crowd Sunday, bro, and with all of the thing them with the Prime Minister wheel off, the man them catch cold feet and come out, the man start talk about race this, them a call him, them a attack him, him color, them a this, them a that, say turn back, you have to understand where, because me never know, say, remember the man always a same barnia, you know, and it end up the man a barnia. The man only grow up.
We know that him no barnia. If low we make him expose himself. But Alka, if you are going win back
Jamaican can't dance in a Jamaica, you know.
Me I tell you something for do. You say
Mark hold on there. If you are going to use winning back a seat, whatever win, because you basically get them back your own, and but use that for say, because you win them there, we can almost cancel the conference. So you disregard our two when we win unchallenged, so to speak. So that only make we keep our conference. You see, them stupid. You see, they are stupid.
But when me I say, you see,
and I separate the thing Alka talk about them win 2 out of 2. A 4 election run. You were a chicken because you say you're leading the poll and you don't contest 2 of them. You don't contest the 2 that is yours.
It go. Me say this Friday night, Godson, right? Me say this Friday night. You say you lead 9 points in the poll, right? 9 points, you know. If you lead 9 points island wide, a landslide, remember that 9 points a whole heap of point for leading our poll. Boop. You say you lead 9 points, but yet still, you're too stronghold them. You only could have come out with 1% at the victory pan one and 2% pan one, and you lead by 9%. And look, This is a stronghold, you know.
And knowing that we win it by 95 votes, and you come with it by only 56.
You only win by 1% of the vote.
Right.
May I try to tell you, say,
Yes.
So when me try to tell you, say, and you say you lead by 9 points, so when you lead by 9 points in our poll, we're say in your stronghold, you should have wipe out your opposition. You should have wipe out the JLP.
Watch the match now, Alcat. Since them love spin things like a spin doctor, because we see greater spin doctor than them come back down in the days. Chromas, I will lick them way. Watch these numbers now. Since I'm try to play on people head, watch this. We win by 96, yeah? You win it by 50, 55, 54, 54. Take the 54 from 96, how much you get? 40, 42? 42, right?
Yeah.
42. 42 is still even less than half of the 96 where we win by. You see me I try to get that? You see me I try to get that?
But Mungo show you, you know, if it was in the two constituencies,
different way. So them still losing anyway.
Look at the next logics here. The two constituencies them. If it was a national election, they would lose. You know why? Because we run the strongest division. So in our division now, would have struck, we run them too close in them division. So they would have lose, they would have get wiped out if it was a national election.
But Alcat, a push come to show, if we had worked the ground the right way, them lose the two of them.
But Alcat, you know why contest them to the seat they do? Because him thinks that Indian Town, when them win Indian Town, them are gonna get the mayor. Them would have be the mayor.
Because them have fight power in every way.
Can't tell you still, you know. If the JLP, you see the JLP machinery, we go Portland and win the PNP seat, they and go down St. Mary go win. You see the PNP machinery that after 2016, if it was eating in full strike, they would have lose them seat there. But the JLP machinery kind of weak. It have to get back strong, kind of weak. Because the JLP pay attention looking after the country. So the machine kind of weak. So the machine have to get back.
Them not look on the ground, Alcat. Them look on the country. They not look on the ground.
Yes.
The ground need to monitor.
I want to tell you this now. You see, based on why Vaz they say I want them conference there, them little
beautiful speaking. Beautiful speaking now in election.
No, not that one there. One before, somebody else conference him go and say, Prime Minister, you need to come out of the office. Me will come out to, you know, or some resign from a minister.
A Portmore.
Put on the shoes. Just put on the green clocks.
A Portmore inside.
Right, just put on the green clocks. Are we ready? And another thing, it's the vice not where them league from the councillor Rosalie. That wake up call. Remember me tell you. So if the machine, like you said, from 2016, they were doing them two division, them lose it. So a different ball game now. I tell you, different ball game now. Different ball game now, brother.
Mark Wolin, come on.
Real thing no joke thing.
Look how much thing. Me see Julian Robinson, Mark Wolin, Dayton Camber them up on stage. Disrespect the Prime Minister, call him thief, call him this, call him that. Look how no do to Bruce Golding, look how no do to Edward Siago, and now Warmington says a white Englishman on a run a press conference. And yo, I want thing more and tell
just weeks ago, I sat down at Portland, I used racial slurs and comments and connotation where the PSOJ did there. What them did there?
Yeah.
Just what day them go down to Portland and hey.
The little dirty one.
And then now this brother over Classic Live I come and talk about say Andrew Holness a dictator. If Andrew Holness was a dictator, enough of them couldn't even open their mouth.
You know, long them call Andrew from COVID, them call Andrew Holness dictator. If I'm me and them call me dictator, you know.
I go godson. I'm on up in platform. You can't tell him who to put on him platform. You see me I say?
So that one there is that one when you meet Siaga when you come pussy, I mean, I like him.
Say him no know who to put on, but me I say him depend it because them have him over the long time. And I ask him what dictator. Me not talk about who him put, but him dead there that say. And me say to him say, because them I say to him say, you say Andrew corrupt. Him say, me never say him corrupt. He say him a dictator. So me go on it now, me say.
Nicholas, you want to come up?
Yeah, that man when you meet Siaga,
Nicholas, you want to come up?
You have to be corrupt to be a dictator.
Yeah. Let me ask you, that man here, so name the private sector man, the name there. Sitting there,
Metro Siago.
Yeah, man, I mean, I like him, man. I like a pussy, man. A PNP. Tell you that.
No, he's not that. He's not that.
Hello.
No, he's not. No, he's not. He's a pampas full of shit.
What's up, Nicholas?
Hello,
yeah, man, I like him, man. Enough time here, that man make some auto against the government. Enough time here, make it, you know.
Go on the chromas.
So I'm just make my internet keep on go in and out. That's why I keep on a drop off.
Yeah.
Yesterday there's something put out with the JUTC bus going to St. Thomas now. They put out the route from Kingston to Morant Bay and from Kingston to Yallas.
Yeah, I heard the Prime Minister talk about it.
I post it.
Yeah, so there's a rough conference.
I post it from
my
my TikTok
talk about it. I'm just saying that it is now out.
Officially.
Yeah, officially, yeah.
Yeah.
How many buses fly the road? One
yeah, man, come post it from my TikTok.
I just saw one. I said they have. I'm not sure they have 701 and 702.
There's two bus that
so 702 is for Morants Bay and 701 is for Yallas.
Oh, so one each. From town to Yallas and town to Morants Bay.
You think I'm for that one, man? Maybe a 2-2 when you're going one going down, one coming up.
No, man, you don't mean that way the plank. Another way they mean. Look on Kingston to Harper Tree. Right, if I'm Spanish, so I mean to Harper Tree. You know, there are two buses go there. 23 and 21. 21 go for Mullins Road, 23 go for Dunrabbit. So I just the way they are not single, I know those two single bus. Just two route.
Two numbers.
One on
like
each road.
Two numbers. So like they have 54, 53 go from Harper Tree to Above Rocks, but I know one single bus.
No,
okay.
What it
That is
did.
what I'm asking you know.
That is what I'm asking how much bus
I'm
on the road.
I'm not sure.
I may post the thing, so I tell you no, I may post the thing, you know. The thing, it have a thing. No, Plank, we don't do that. Watch ya. The thing we post, it show you the time when the bus leave from Yallas. Like a bus leave 8:30, one leave 9 o'clock. It show you them thing there. So I'm more than one.
Bus leave every hour, every half hour.
I'm more than one bus. The thing, I post it on my TikTok page.
I saw the post, but I didn't really read the time schedule. I just read that the bus will be out.
Yeah. Well, is there two buses on each route? Meaning there's two buses that goes to Yallas and two buses that go to Morant Bay, or is just one bus each route? That's all me ask you.
It's more than one bus.
It's more than one bus.
Okay. All right, good. Good.
So I guess it depends on the population.
Remember them bus they run by time, you know. Each bus one go half an hour before the next one move out half an hour.
Yes.
That's how them bus they run.
The time, if you go on my TikTok page, you see it time
whether
is
it
there.
go half hour or it go an hour is a big improvement, is a big move that because there was none whatsoever. And look at school them hardly could have take one of the bus car out of town so the bus them go.
Fare, once you have a smarter car, The bus fare
That son,
for children is
it go there to
$50.
cushion it go there to cushion the fear of the school kids, the
Yes.
kids them. They are paying
And
too much for school for bus fare to school.
right.
So it's a $50
And when none
fare
of the
for
ball,
them and
when
for
none
the
them,
disabled and elderly.
right. When none look at dirty nastiness, them talk about nothing now going on the country. To not
But
no
that
handout
son,
now reach them.
it's even better for the adult as well, because I think from downtown to Yalas, I think it's $100. And the
Power.
children them pay $50,
Okay.
and from Marant Bay,
All
from
right. Who is
downtown to
here? Who is
Marant
here
Bay,
on the live that lives in Marant Bay?
is
Or in a St. Thomas?
$200.
Who? Because one of the time he said people will live at St. Thomas or work at town. Them just a work for transportation money no Nikki. Because when them leave town for go to Marant Bay, about $250 that you know. And you multiply that 2 times, 5 times for the week. You know how much money that total like 13 to or 15,000 for
That son.
Yeah.
You know, said easier working from Yalas to Kingston more than from Portmore to Kingston.
True.
Traffic, the time I tell you about
Traffic.
it. There's a lot of traffic.
From here, so one shot going in.
One shot and the road is, and it's like from Yalas to Harborview now is like a 15 to 20 minute drive.
I know them all make money. I know the driver them all make money. Quick and fast a journey.
St. Thomas are my place, you know, up them grow till 15, 16, you know, and based on what St. Thomas they at the moment, trust me, even a PNP stronghold should I lose an election up there if St. Thomas people them have ambition. I'm telling you.
They didn't want to rub them so hard, you know. With that word there. Them
have to say it, man.
Them just.
Me have to say it, man.
Just caught up, you know. But watch this. I don't know if you listened to the news last night when they talk about the Marant Bay Town Centre, and the brother from PJ, Practice Corporation Jamaica, said, now we are and the man name out the town them where they going to build up a town centre. I said, but Jesus, I'm crying, my head hurt me. The man said Negril, the man said Born Portland, the man said this, the man called about 7 or 8 town centre now be like 8 different parish, brother. So how could I not want this government to continue? Not even me. How could they not want this government to continue?
Yes, and the development. As a little boy in the 90s, when Lambert Brown locked down Goodyear, and the man them have to pack up them business and go away. Surge Island, the man them have to sell out some Surge Island.
Yeah, we are going so. Yeah.
We lose the banana, we lose sugar, we lose tobacco, we lose everything in our St. Thomas in the 90s. And all this government now, I bring back St. Thomas. Me never know so much PNP still living at St. Thomas. So most of them people then have no ambition, I'm telling you, fam. And if you take $5,000 for go vote, and $10,000 for go vote, and you now look upon the bigger picture, remember, you know, St. Thomas are the only parish in Jamaica where don't have a stoplight. St. Thomas don't have a Burger King, they don't have a KFC, they don't have St. Thomas the back at time. And this government,
it's because is a system, is a policy from way back when, which is the same policy that reaches that caused Haiti to be underdeveloped because of the rebellion that Paul Bogle, the rebellion there, the Marant Bay rebellion, like them say, I'm going to pay for this. It's a lack of development until oldness come along. Because remember, say Portland was the first tourist capital, you know. Portland was the first tourist capital.
You see, you're looking at the comment. It's it looks like the same fear.
Somebody said $50 for adults and $20 for children.
So what I'm saying, what we in at 2024, we in people still pay $50 per bus, you know, and you don't want this government in a power. 2024, and what cost that? Because the man them grow the economy.
And the man said even the private bus them are gonna work out an agreement with them, but them use the same card. So if them didn't have the money, them use the same card. Can you imagine? She's
Can remember, you know, in our country, you know, government subsidize transport. I could have one person in the bus have to drive off a sub transport.
Time. Yes.
Yeah. Yes, that's all transport. Our government subsidize transport.
England and them place, I saw it work at them place in our Virgin.
Yeah, man. I saw it Chromas, I saw it work at Chromas. If a bus come in the terminus of Canada, you know, and I alone go on it, you have go on it and it moves same time, you know.
So I remember say Canada come up with the England system too, you know.
Yeah, man, each one.
With certain things too, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man. So England, man, you just got the bus stop by a certain time, man. You know, say 10 to 7, you know, so that bus stop pass right there, so I that stop, yeah. If you're out there, you get it, because that comes exact 10 to 7. It come at that bus stop there. So it work at England, Bridget.
Chromas, when me there, it better for take the train and the bus for go work more than drive.
Yes.
Because you say if you drive, I work downtown downtown Toronto. You say if you drive, you have to pay $15 for park.
All right. My old man about
plus you have burn.
I work in a city hard for park.
Yeah, me plus
you have burn.
England. When my old man live in England for years, and that man never own a car. But they work with British Rail. That train they use, they work with and bus. Train. And a British Rail never own a car. But they just work with the train. The train company used to work with.
If you live in a city, you don't really need a car.
You see me?
Because everything there is unreached. You have to live out of the city.
So it costs me
I just threw you
time.
That thing just be one convenient more than when they want to move.
Yeah, when you're mobile, it's good. When you're mobile.
Yeah, just that.
Hold on the Chromas. Godson did ask about the bus and something. So Mrs. Something say they depart from Yalas. One bus will leave 5, then 5:30, then 7:20, then 8 o'clock. And from they say city, so that must be Kingston. 6:10 and 6:44.
Yeah.
And then when they go at the same round to come back down. Maybe they might both leave from there too, you know. Come down as well, you know, the same time.
It's not a long waiting time. It's not a long waiting time.
And from Marant Bay, no 5:30.
The same time in
8:50 to 9:20. It's not the same time.
Okay.
Remember one is going to Yalas and one is going to Marant Bay, 2 different buses.
Nicola, you know you sound a little bit like Philippine.
hey, Plank, behave yourself. So don't ever go there.
So,
all right.
Like already on the topic of bus. $50 for student, child, student, disabled person, and senior citizen. So with a smarter fare card, that's $50. That's the Yalas route, and for the Marant Bay route is $100. An adult with a smarter card is $100. For the Marant Bay route is $200. And if a passenger without a smarter card, you'll pay $200 to Yalas and $300 to Marant Bay.
But this person in the comment not giving us the correct thing then. Or this person said the card is 50 and 20.
The person in the comment, they might be talking about in Kingston. I think it is $20 for student in Kingston.
Yeah, that is Kingston.
No, but it said at the end of it said $20 for children to go to St. Thomas.
Yeah, but maybe they're mixing it up. I think the $20 thing is.
While we are on the topic of buses, say this is what I want all of you, especially the ones that are in Jamaica. Not Housing Trust. Our trust now have a new program named On the Corner, on the job recruitment. Chromas at them go up I think at your place there Friday, tomorrow, 29th.
Which part?
Fletcher's Land.
Oh.
Tomorrow. It is the bus, the coach bus.
They're back to half a cheese. I'm on roadside, my godson.
Okay. Them I got me mix up for call. I mix up for call.
Call.
But you can't organize with the closest office regional to Aperture. I don't know which one that is. And you just organize with them. Instead of they have it, because you target certain youth to go to camp, leave the space. You understand?
Yeah.
So arrange with them so them carry the bus home into the community, Panakana, and then register them to go to on-the-job training. Those with or without subjects. So the one with subjects have a foot in the door, so to speak. right? So all them have to do is provide them, you know, the regular NIS, TRN, birth certificate, bank account, and the TRN I said it already, and your subjects if you have any, right? And then you tell them we are whatever. 17 to 29 and 17 to 34 for persons who have some form of intellectual disability.
Okay.
That's
so. So anybody that is on the island and live in a certain community, please, I'm asking, whether you're on the library listening, please engage the artists so they can take this bus to your space, so we can engage these youth so them can get training. Because since week I read an article where the companies and them are still considering for a period of time to get training as against spending half hour and getting $200 or $300 from a victim.
Godson.
That is what we are up against. Yeah.
To me, kids done at about the next about like rusted them with the trade. They are working through archers to like
all right. So people like Rusty,
whatever.
People like Rusty that have a machinery and stuff, and have a location, you can join an agreement with them to be a teacher. And they would pay him, give him some details. You can do business
through archers to Rusty to like. Me not talk about it too much. You want to great something that.
And another thing, if you know of any skilled persons in the community, they will, you just get, like for instance, you have barber, you can get a minimum of 10 persons, whatever skill here, but let's use barber as an example. I can get 10 of them at a specific location, like in another barber shop, we have the equipment them. Art will come there and them do what them have to do and them certify them right on the spot. So I'm asking you people to engage art in these years so the youths can benefit, because the people them still think about import labor skill worker, because we do have many here. Youth them want to get them skill in a scamming. Up to today, we are talking to youth them know some youth have them good job, but them are scam same way. Yeah, so I will think so. Please engage the youth them with this new initiative art of named Pandikana and the job recruitment.
Pandikana.
Yep, they said them just come Pandikana. So it name Pandikana.
Pandikana, yeah, that would mean, yeah. That's nice. Government are full of peer vision for the youths, them, everything for the youth. I mean, I left for the elderly line, like I get a good thing to see a way to.
Yes, them say name skill and demand.
Yeah, Pata. Yeah, and that is a new initiative to the government where them set up this portal where skilled persons is on it. Them on demand where persons, business people can just go and just search and find these skilled people. Yeah. Thank you, Pata. That is another initiative that this government come with.
Yes, it's skills on demand.
Yeah.
Yeah, skills on demand.
I think Anjo they talk about it in our budget.
On demand.
I think Anjo they talk about it in our budget debate, you know. And it come to Trisha now. It come to reality right now. This government age and them thing. You know, you can't find that them and the wife age or him picking them age pan Google. You know, like you type in and June, like Juliet too. When him two son them born.
I try too. I'm gonna find nothing.
Me tried. You know why me tried? Me I tell you why me tried. I want to know him wife age and I want to know him first child age. So that's why I tried.
No? They are pretty close.
Right.
Married.
That's nothing.
But it is
you know the reason why I do it?
Work with the family.
Whatever. You don't find out.
Married.
You say anything?
Eh?
You find out anything?
No.
No, you can't see nothing.
But if you
Nothing on
Google,
it because
Miss Oldness, you see her come up how much picnic shop
Yeah,
and come
let's
when
scrub
she
it,
married
man.
and
People
blah,
don't know them do it. People don't have time for scrub it thing. They don't know them do it in a bridge, but they know for scrub it thing.
watch her now, chromas. Me I get fi understand say it's alleged that's like
Nice.
is a hold on and take business, you know. I force them for married, you know. So
Yeah,
that's
me
why
know
me I look
about
for
that
the
part.
age.
When you hear about that part, and she's underage, so me hear about it, man. So me want to go
Yeah.
there. Yeah.
So true him
and just to take out
him have
shame back in the days, you know, he married her.
yeah, because you know the white little boy get white people see the little black woman and feel like so she no nothing and you know white boy privilege, white people privilege. So I saw them send them. I think when I'm kids, you know, I think I in the US, although I say them kids them born in Jamaica. I think I in the US the first one born, you know. After I married 6 days in the US, the youth born, you know, so I peel like the man tell when him go on it. I peel like the man lie, I peel like the man tell. I mean, me not see when Andrew says something, them have to scrutinize Andrew, but when this man tell like it just everybody just quiet.
Everybody dumb, brother. Everybody quiet. I'm like everybody stand for Andrew when they say something for go try to build the claim.
Me say, when you go for see this man wife age, you can't see it. Yo, where do you, me I show you how America stay. Some people with Trump try put in him cabinet. One of the man, years back, he must have sex with a 17-year-old or something like that. And that make him can't go in a cabinet, you know, him have to tell them say him nah take up the offer, you know. And couple of them well, them in a them private life. And when you go for public office at them place, they could have 40 years ago.
Yeah, man,
Them big up dirt, man.
Yeah, so it's time to show. But yeah, I
So we
know
are tried.
Alcata and Good Godson. The Jamaican people love Andrew Wallace, but that's just the media and the civil groups and the little dirty PNP there.
You ever know that
Yeah,
me have a comrade, friend,
and the civil
colleague
groups them.
in terms of business. Yeah? We do business together. He is a way you call it a delegate. And to them, the man a reason. And say, Hudson, Andrew, hard for those, me say, me fi tell you. When they catch him from baga, you so see man, you see, but it's when they catch him consciously talk, him know where going. Them know where going, them know what time of day it is, man.
The man
But
admit in a press conference
the
saying
MP them have the boss of the too much work. You have the boss of the house to house. When
Yeah, man,
you come to house to house when they want to go.
the lazy labor right here, man. I forget to read some of them bridging. That me I talk about. The go.
No, if I'm back in Australia, some of them old, some of them lazy MP, they get kick away.
They have a lift up, man. They have a lift up long time.
Yeah, man, them couldn't run back, man. But step up them
They have a
game.
lift up long time, man. I take for themselves, man. I tell you that.
Well, I know, me agree with you know, but there is a process, because you can't create a riff in a party right now, you know.
You ever know
There
that?
is a process.
No, we know that.
There is a
But someone to shake up them ground for the ground.
Yeah, they go back,
and then
yeah,
the local government look someone.
Well, I
And
know,
then the
but I'm
local
going to tell you
government
nothing you know already.
election
We're not supposed to know this stuff. We're not supposed to know this. The premise is on them case like Maclan. You know everything we are going. You know
yeah,
who not
because
perform,
he
who
send to the
not.
survey and him talk.
Yeah, man, the
and
man know.
he should make up
Say
with
no
that and
who
make
not
up with
perform.
that.
The piece of the prime minister know. They're very smart man, and my brother. The man know everything we are going. So we never go buckle up. I tell you that.
True.
And you know why? You know why? Me know say some of them come is a man, you know. But you see, leading up to the conference, the little spot meeting them, the conference, the division meeting them, you can't see some of the MP them were not good in them constituency.
Nobody wants me. I call out one of them in a horror. Good. Like what a chicken and pussy clad. You see, one of the man to go be there, Uma Davis, a batty boy. Him not going good. Nobody wants to say. Him not ready. Things, it's not PNP girl, bunting girl. Even I'm the premise that hear about him still. I'm never gonna deal with them case. You see, them step up the
because
PNP
you give me
girl.
like a this you call chromas when Andrew got put him in at the cabinet, bring him up and push him up some kind of, because the government work and
No,
ministerial work and MP work
No,
are
no,
two
listen,
different, three
no.
different something.
Well, I know, Godson, me I get from good source, my brethren. You see that
No,
brethren
I'm
there?
not saying nah, do nothing, I'm not saying nah, do something, but me just I say, you need to shape
No,
up,
listen me
man,
I
for
say.
two, man.
Listen me I say.
To shape up,
The
man.
man that went down there do the backbone labor, do the groundwork down there. The man not
Yeah.
deal with them good brethren. The man
I
are all
don't leave him
police, you know.
alone.
The man
I
that
don't
trust
leave
nobody.
him alone. I
The man
don't
are
leave
all
him
police
alone.
me here. And the man not trust
Yeah,
somebody.
he's
The man
our
not
police too.
trust somebody. He take everybody for thief. Round him.
Everybody take
And the
it, and
next
everybody and their mama
And the
take
girl have him like
political
a puppet. The
thing.
PNP girl have him
and the
like a
next
puppet.
thing
I
we
can't
might do
take up.
chroma. You might keep him thing and I invite the oh you have to invite your
Yeah,
enemy
me want to fuck the blood clot bunting girl too. If the girl take over and in charge of everything. So she gonna beat him. Cause she run against him, you know.
Which one that? The one that with them
Bunting
to
fast
fix up
body girl,
her
man.
body? The one
Yeah
with them
man,
to
what's
fix
your
up her
name?
body?
Yes.
Nikisha Burchell. She
Nikisha
named
Burke. Okay.
Nikisha Burchell.
Yeah. She come like a share the blood clot MP down there. The man make the girl do everything and I get him out. Everything and like him a lower if you do it, bro. Like you must have fuck her up on the side or something, you know. Pussy what? You see, because the girl take charge and have rare. As some function and keep her she up front, we aim for up front, and the girl up front. Yo, but you never know. Yeah. Well, when him start him out, you know, man, me I tell him, better pick up, better fix up himself. That me I tell him. Pussy what?
Them need to move. The Prime Minister need to put the Prime Minister need a full speed ahead right now. The Prime Minister we're less than 9 months out of an election right now. So the Prime Minister need to put in candidate
Well,
them and sign off
the president is
on
supposed to hear
everything.
about him directly to him. That one that we are talking about, the president must hear about that pussy hole there. Trust me. If you labor, if you style him, brethren. I like style labor. They not go on good brethren.
I feel like the one when named Enrique it's not go on good neither.
Will
The
you
one
team
on
name? Him still
McLaren them
about?
named Enrique.
Yeah, but here we are, so
Will
I just
you
go with
team name
that.
a call?
So, because here we are, we want
Yeah.
I just look at pussy hole upon the PNP, upon the fire you page, and then sitting there. So, more time never want to
But
talk
when I tell you,
things, man. This number. I just love it.
the amount of good things that are happening right now, sometimes we don't remember some of them, because them just a come fast and furious, so. But say this thing
I'm not real
with
talk,
the
man.
light. Say this thing with the light cut, the tax cut, say a favor thing this now. No people don't know say a favor something this now, I should have talked about it when she was state
Oh,
minister,
yeah,
And she
input
know that
that.
she become, I know she become full minister
Yeah.
now. She show about this, a fair thing this now.
What
The
if
DCT cut.
what if your signature move that?
Yeah, fair one this stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. Fair one this.
Yeah.
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 Chromas. I
Should have
yesterday
looked about it when she was
I
state
yesterday
minister at the
I
time,
yesterday I get my
finance.
20
Okay.
Chromas. I
But
yesterday I get my
somebody put up a post say
20,000.
NCB
Yeah,
run
I
out
mean.
of money what day. People them go for them 20,000.
Yeah, I'm gonna get my own private here still. Get my own private
I
here still.
yesterday I get my own.
Oh.
And look there,
Yeah.
I watch it all come.
I
So the Prime Minister come with again.
so that go
The
run
man say anybody when officially work, them are gonna try to see a way how them can benefit from that 20,000 out of the two. Yo, and this government a give back the people them what them spend.
the country.
And the little nastiness them a come and talk about a buyback vote. The people them deserve it. Them deserve it. What you give back? You don't give back nothing.
Look here. Godson. Me there in Canada, right? And since last week Trudeau announced you see like how would I pay a GCT pound food?
Yeah, GST.
But them use for them as a different name. Must say GST,
Yeah,
yeah.
man.
GST and HST 2 months.
He might do it, he might do it for 2 months. He might do it for alcohol because Canada here, people drink liquor. You see right now through it cold. You see tea. You see tea and alcohol. Oh God, man. People
We had that cut, man. We had
Somebody
60 no yata, but you can't come up with that thing.
and then if you work under 150,000 for the year, they might give you back $250. $250, which is about 25,000 Jamaican. So people are give back. So what them say? I vote through do I buy? Are the same thing. People are meet it all over the world. You understand? So government have to step up and do
the
things.
Alcat, he can't afford to do that. No, we can't grow the economy. So we can't afford to do that.
Exactly. Remember, you know, PNP tax all in conference in my youth.
Yeah.
The man in tax people, you know, the man in tax all in conference, you know.
Pick up our friend like a church, but I can't friend.
If you're going to say
not tax, man.
give back to the people, them a vote buying. If you say tax give back a vote buying. So what you going to say about the constituency development fund money? What was implemented by Bruce Golding for the people in the community and a tax buying that too.
But listen this. Yeah, but listen
Like
this.
duck.
Listen this, Gaston. I go around and tell the country, I tell the people them say nothing go on and the government now do nothing for the black man.
Don't say uno. No.
I know.
Take out the uno. Because when they say uno, it's like how we said them. Said them. And them I say.
The PNP, man.
Yeah, we know Alcala that the PNP them still move that.
PNP,
No,
them
we know
talk,
about.
man. But when me I say,
When they said the
when me
uno,
try say,
the uno said
well, I
them.
know. Well, I know.
Said them.
When me say, that's why if me finish your ear,
man. I miss
uno, well, I know, uno I say, the government, the black man now feel it, and when the government say, "Mo, make the little man feel it," now uno I can lick out and say a vote buying. So me not understand them people here.
About vote buying.
Them people here sick, bro. I'm sick. Some sick people them here. PNP sick now.
Lose out. Not everywhere them turn them lose out, man. Them can't come in nothing.
Yo, the conference
Them
crowd
like what?
give people them running belly. The conference crowd give because them a say wait, Labour right lose to local government election and have and then conference look so then suppose then did win the two local government. Cause enough people no come a conference through them two election there. Whole heap of people no come a conference. If them did for come a conference.
We don't lose. The people that win, get it back here, but we don't lose nothing. We gain, can at least they lose the PNP by less. So we go and good anyway. Check it out. Only if they get it, that's ice upon the cake that.
And we now run with that
narrative
people
the right way.
Chromas. We now run with a narrative that's strong enough, or loud enough, Because if there was a PNP, they would have sick of that. Because I remember when after the local government election, Dayton Campbell was, we win the most seat, we win the most council, with this, with that. We now run with a narrative, though. We feel run with it loud and clear. See how we win because you win back a seat that you have. You win back. You keep the seat that you have. And you keep it with a less turnout. So we are the winner.
But they win it back with less.
With a narrative there.
And they win it back with less.
Right.
That means we gain the group, we get it. And people strong with them there.
Campbell would be saying that if it was them. If it was them, Campbell would be saying that. So we could do the same thing.
Nobody not talk about the win where they win because the conference liquid everything, you know. The conference liquid everything. The conference allow make them have to come out, come keep press conference. Cause them shock.
I know I like them press conference, Alcock.
I
like
them
press conference.
I just division.
Yeah, cause guess I know Alcock.
Go on,
for them conference, for them keep. For them conference, for them keep up for the conference. Me like it. You know why me like it? Them lie. I'm so lie them lie and Mark Golding confess finally. Him no ban ya.
Yeah. Him no born.
So I had a monkey climbing when them exposed.
You know, say, every time the man, no. Hey, the man lie, hey, man, Golden lie, but you know, man, hey, the man lie off. Joe. And when the man tell a lie, nope, no civil society, nobody now call him out pan him lie them.
Jamaica for just an NIA, two blood clean PNP supporter. They say Jamaica for Justice, they put the logo upon the flag of one fist. PNP them.
But the Mr. Siaga come at about the
I'm just
ambushman
sucking
need
move, man.
hey,
I want
one
me
thing
that
I
man to
want,
talk, I must try to talk into government, All the
if you
while, that
want
man to
me,
talk.
you say want me, you see this where them attack, it's going to rev up want me more, man, because want me say, yeah man, it a take traction. I rev it a go rev up want me more.
All of a sudden, we're going to demonize blood clots, Edward Siaga, and it's a pussy, I play a victim. You're watching him anyway.
But, him, oh, why me I feel like, but,
And then during the conference, for him stick to topics, the man switch gone and 8 of them on the investigation for illicit. Like seriously, Mark. And that you gone to try gain some traction now. Him gone for illicit 8 and in a certify
Wait,
and
for the next thing again, too. The same blood, the same way I keep conference. The same Sunday healing me and say,
them do it, them release
yeah,
him declaration
I
the
see.
same Sunday. And I come
but
attack it. And from October it verify. So why you never release it from October?
I never know say I see work on Sunday.
That me I say.
And when the Prime Minister talk, then release it, when the Prime Minister talk. So me I say,
Well, them.
oh,
And them
yeah man.
politics, and then I'm a
Great.
PNP.
Uno no need for sure no and again, man. We know a long time, man. It just get nasty with uno right now, Integrity Commission.
But it's not gonna way. Still not all attraction. Where people find them out. Dog shit them, man.
One thing as next year come in when then contract up.
All right, Alcock Chromas, here what? Now go all a sleep up, so bless up on yourself.
Yeah, all right, guys.
Chromas, me lego that, me lego that from this morning. From this evening, me lego that. I just say go mobile, you understand?
Yeah, man,
Nobody
man.
perfect, you see me?
Yeah.
Go all a sleep up, so take care of yourself and
Yeah, man, bless up God's son, man.
Yeah, God.
Yeah, man.
Chromas. The Integrity Commission, seeing when them contract up, only the investigator girl alone we are left up there. We run where all of them got there.
Yeah, man. Definitely.
Yeah, man. All of them are fill up, man.
Pussy all them, man. I don't
Yeah,
Christy.
Up the rotten, man. A straight politics them a play up at that blood.
Yeah, hear what no? They want PNP to win because PNP win them keep them job. They know say as we say, they know the time is it when time to play next time and gonna contract up them take with themselves,
But Chromas, them say them a Integrity Commission. If them just do Integrity Commission work, them no have no problem for keep them job. Just do them work.
When they tell people that Jamaica don't go blood thick country, this be say it happen. We put people, more majority of them, doctor, nurse, whatever, we can put a lie, and the whole of them put politics over them profession.
Yeah, man. A real thing, man.
Pussy all them, man, in Jamaica.
A real thing, man.
That's what they say PNP is a cult organization. They put politics over them professional, them professional with it inner. Where no matter if you ever lean into a party, you're supposed to put profession. If I know your profession as a lawyer, doctor, whatever, a certain position you hold it.
Romans, you know that sister in the Cadian, you know that sister in there?
What that? Cadian.
Yeah.
Nice.
Cadian.
Oh, Cadian, watching on the box. Good night. No. I should say something now. No. Show my mic and say something now. Good night, Cadian.
My mic not close.
No, should I say something? But she jump up as Godson drop up, she come up.
Politics gone sleep.
Yeah. That's the plank then jump out, gone to card. Plank them one I moderate. I don't know. Bring her up. But she not talk. Kadian. Good night. Good. Kadian.
Chromas.
Yeah.
Me see 2 video at Jamaica with involving schoolers. See? One of them about 5 boy sex one little girl and beat her up and them thing there. And then me see one next video where some all a boy in a mass a beat one little school boy must be from Anchovy. Let me tell you something. I'm glad me not have pitney I go school. Cause if me have pitney I go school, all them boy them mama and papa me I go for man. Beat my son so. I fit pan the ground and kick him and them way there, brother. You must say mad.
Remember what I said that before, before too, and you could mash up, remember?
Yeah.
The big guy, they kick up the little youth and mash up the youth, man. Mash up bad, man.
Cause the youth must say step and must say some clocks or something. But what me I say? A thugs, them parents you have a send go school, thugs.
So like all them parents afraid of them to blood clot, to me I say. Like you can't
me not have no pitney, I'm afraid of them.
Yeah, but no. But so to my parents, I pitney, I grow pitney, Alcat. That's the thing,
I agree, but them thing you when me say, yo, me can't watch them video till them done, till them finish, cause them only get me cross, and me just erase them.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, man, me not send them around, man. Me just erase them, man.
I talk about video, I want them to get the video, the thing up on the wild time there, Two.
You know, see, when you're there on Rusty Live and you're in a box, you know, say, me text you. And me put your name and me say, Chromas, I walk on a wall time, them just lick with 5 man. But me not hear nobody read the text and say nothing at the time.
Me never did see it.
Cause
what I'm in the box, what I'm in the box, we not really looking at the comment board also,
Yeah, man.
You see me? Yeah, make it that video, man. Gruesome, man.
Me see it, man. Me see the man them on the ground. You got all one of the man all him ball like drop out time.
Yeah, man.
What me have to Chromas? All of them mass shooting, you know, say a be a PNP constituency them are going in.
No, up here a labor right sale, part of Walter be a labor right part.
No, me what a PNP constituency, brother.
No man, listen man, 75 to 75. Right,
yeah, me a say no man. Yeah, you know listen what me a say. Who run the constituency? A full constituency. Did have Peter Phillips or Angela Dunbar?
I understand what you say no. I understand what you say no, but that little section there up on the top part there. That's some labor right moves.
It happened me in a Palwell constituency. It happened me in a Cousins constituency where they shoot the 8 people them.
Yeah man, I understand what you say no. Yeah man, a real talk man. A real talk man. But even most of the violence and anything going to Kingston sentence, most of them going to Kingston 13 that man. Out of east side them place there.
You know, more ask if because based on if you notice enough from the security force come say crime down by 20% first, then 19.5, then 19, then it come down at 17 now. It means to say the man must step it up.
Yeah, but we ever say no, you know what say? Even at this man, one of my general, I tell him one of my labor right brethren too. The man in the street still. I tell me say, you know, say the police ever work. I don't think they find the whole two other man them already. We're involved in them. Even the one a wild time, they will have passed by already, Police them. Yeah, man.
Them fine leads?
Yeah, man, they will have one them already, brother. About them look for 2 more. Out at east, though. Yeah, man, they will have people out there, so 2 man. Involved in it. The joke thing, People in
when you hold them boy, you have to have some attire and put it in a fire and make it red.
Yeah. So,
and you hold them and you take off their shirt because you have to put it in some soft spot on them and put it in the center of them back and burn them and say talk.
You know, so when I say this to you, look, I'm sure the police are my work too. Yes, see me. And like one time, you know, when police really are no information, things
Whether this mass shooting, it too frequent, brethren.
yeah, but that's something the PNP might try to, you know. But forget the joke too, you know, Alcat. You see how that east is, so? The little fiction we go on up, you know, say, me I hear, I think me don't know what truth it is, me as some of the man them out there, I say, they want to switch from PNP. Because they say, all of the good things that go on like PNP constituency, them, and also, and all the ears of the PNP,
Which
them now.
constituency? Out of Palwell?
Yeah. That's why
Then
they
I get
shoot
fi under. Me I get fi understand so the 5 man them did involve in it we want to switch the community.
Yes.
Cause we going out the kind of bigger than we, you know.
So you have a good thought there, you know? Because there's a few good things that go on in the liberal community where liberal them control, like on the Anju constituency, and that's a boy. All them also, the man in the constituency, them also, they look a place, the man build up also the people them in there. They look like a foreign bridge, like a in I can't tell you.
The people them want peace of the prosperity, man.
Yeah, man, because Andrew go good man in a film place. Engage the community. You see, community thing that also Andrew build like anti-security, man.
Me see them, man.
Like a foreign to blood clot.
Them look good.
Yeah, man, like an engaged thing or the one I was saying set up. Nice. That's a blood clot prime minister. And the prime minister now get them more than there's blood clot MP and they for them that.
But remember, you know, Chromas are the first administration give everybody equal, you know. Remember one time, you know, people used to cuss, you know, say, boy, watch you know.
But people use some
tribe. When PNP in a power pay tribal thing them deal with, you know.
Never don't get nothing, Virgin.
But you know, as I talk about that alcohol, but they may read up on what.
Politics, they wake up.
No, man, I listen, I write show, me I watch show.
Oh.
May I read up on the history of election from the election start. You don't say every time PNP win, I think every election PNP win, war of happen. Some kind of war where killings go way up some state.
Some idiot thing have to go on politics.
Yeah. I mean, I look on them and say, because them put the statistic there and show how much somebody dead.
That's why people don't like history now. You go back in the parts. So.
When I election of them win, me have to go look back. Because it's on the internet.
They don't like working in the past. They don't like working in the past and talk about the history of things, man. Because history not great, not good for them.
Rational liberty, you're on gone. Yeah, man, 800 people dead. So, once
that time in 1980.
I think so.
Yeah,
man,
1980 that.
Once you have a peaceful election, you never win. Check out the election of JLP, you win.
Every one of them peaceful.
Every one of them peaceful. And may I look on the issue and I look on
That's what they want to start, you know, but the army and the police, them out there for them, man. The police, soldier, them out there and the police, them out there for them, man. And you don't have plan for them, we know them up to, you know. We don't know where they're going.
Based on where them are going with from the other day, the police, them, no, nothing with them, you know.
All right.
All right. Remember say, one nurse come up on the platform or they can tell you, you know, say, oh, the whole of the private sector vote for Labour, right? Now watch what I go on.
Oh, yeah, yes, and
yeah. She said, oh, no, we're on yourself. The whole of the private sector vote for Labour, right? Because right now, all Labour right deal with we never used to get them the treatment under the PNP. Yeah. Man, so she didn't contact to politics.
I'm gonna remember.
Yeah, man, you never did them, man. She said she was a nurse.
We still
Yo,
have
me
some
hear
tired
one girl.
PNP one in them plank. I tell her, see
Me
you
hear
way.
one girl this
So,
morning.
yeah,
I talk
yeah.
about data and Canberra.
See
One
it and
girl
Canberra.
say she have sickle cell, and she talk about data and Canberra. I hope Dujan, Dujan live. It was full. A
I'm
Dujan
an
live.
ISO.
Yo,
Give me.
man, I tell you, Kimmy,
Kimmy.
everywhere Kimmy go, Kimmy thought that they want. Right now, me send him a request and him come over here. A daytime camp, doctor. He say he's a real doctor for true. He
Yeah,
say
but I
when
read
I'm
him
that.
put him
a
on,
big doctor, you know.
Yeah, but I
yeah
read that.
man.
A big
State and Canberra,
doctor.
that's not true, man.
I
He
don't
say
know which one.
when him put him round I call upon the chair and him drop off and pain lick him in the rotted. Yeah man, she talk here all the time, man. When he start talking, Alcata can't tap him.
Mm.
When Kim start talk, brother, you can't tap Kim.
This is,
She say pain liquor everywhere. All under her crotch, she say pain
Yeah
liquor.
man.
so we State and Canberra to tour.
Satan Campbell, gear 2 Panadol.
Cool her down.
Sanjay, misbehave, you know, Sanjay.
I have give him that still. I'm a real doctor still, for real still.
Yeah,
A
man.
big doctor, not just real
Medical,
doctor. Big doctor to where.
medical
Well,
doctor.
me tell you something. Me I tell you the truth.
Me no good
If
in
me
me
a
no
dead
good
on a
in me
date
still.
and Canberra for save my life as a doctor, me know why I'm sick. He mom kill me off because Dayton
We
utter
go feel
certain
doctor
things
for
out
you
of
for
him
your
mouth. He
PMP.
cannot be a good doctor. Certain things will come out of Dayton mouth as a
He must
doctor.
put ego. He must
Cannot
put
be a
ego.
good doctor.
I
So
tell you.
when
Yeah.
you look on it, bro, in the 1962, with JLP win
But
peaceful
when there
election.
still, you know. Wait, but we know, is a doctor of respect still, you know. We come to doctorate thing now, any name there, you know. Dr. Draw still, you know.
1967,
A good doctor still, you know. Dr.
peaceful
Draw.
election, JLP win. Yeah, when the fooling start.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Boy,
And
Dr. Draw like I want good doctor still, you know. Because we used to listen to so many things before we start going to the politics.
If only it
Yeah,
start
but
with Bob Marley.
no, guess how the fooling start, brother? When PNP,
But when they put on the orange shot, man, and the whole of them turn idiot, brethren, they turn fool.
mm-hmm.
the
But,
violence
but when
start.
but Dr. Draw is like a one good doctor still. Differently to him.
A good doctor, man. Cause him
Yeah.
father a good doctor too, you
Yeah,
know.
man, a good doctor for real, man. But they
You
don't
know
like
when
in politics.
PNP
When
first
they
win?
put on the orange and got on PNP, and the worst thing that happened to them,
When
brethren,
the
they're
violence
idiots.
started at Chrome, I local government election when PNP win big. PNP blow out JLP.
What you say? Where's the politics?
I said the violence start when PNP win. The two election did
Well, I'm going to tell you this
peaceful.
now. Listen to this. Listen to this now, politics. I'm going to say it's already on couple live. The PNP, they're wicked and cruel, like we do things like a burn down people place and do all
Yeah
kind of
man,
burn
I
out
can talk
people.
to them.
Listen to me, I say, just listen to me, I say politics. Just listen to me, I say. You see me? But you see when they come on to, name there, like when in the war, and PNP versus Labour, right? They take with themselves. They can't hold away. They not promote no badness and violence. Them can't set up to a bridging. And so
You can't put no badness
they
too.
can't step to no Labour right.
Mm.
Yeah. But
But tell
A
you
true
that.
woman.
as me said though, what may I say when me do the issue and I see them with violence.
Yeah,
So
man, understand when you ask about the election, they was making violent and doing like
not to make
foolishness.
it bloody.
Yeah. But when you come out to do wickedness to people, burn down people place, shoot people, catch place at house, catch house on fire. If you 2 ways go there, you know. If you take the bun, you come out there get gunshot, because that them do, you know. If you run out of the house and shoot you, and you steal the house and get the bun up. Them do wickedness to PNP though.
A true
Yeah,
woman.
but you can hear them on their live now, they sound aggressive like a
Yeah.
war,
But
war.
we take them on one like we are dealing with badness. They have to take with themselves. We can't deal with it. That's why they can't. That's why they don't like Tivoli, because they can't manage it.
Yeah,
No
but
matter
hear them on their live.
no matter how much PNP girls surround Tivoli, then can't manage Tivoli. God, we force. You know why we have a bad that way there? Them force for bad. I want this one
Right,
cool
man.
game.
Roman. Any one of them PNP vlogger the way you see I go on. If we put on 2 gloves and go in a ring, me knock them out in a minute.
I'll gonna pay all this money over there. What you talk about?
Them have
That's
Yo,
with the politics.
you gonna take long for thumb down caution, kind big like a bullfrog up one side.
Ain't that big, ain't that?
the way I
It
talk,
feel,
boy, him easy for thumb down.
it
And
feel
him is
big and
easy for
it,
thumb.
me don't know how big it is,
Caution,
but if it's big, it feel like a bullfrog. If it's big and ugly, like.
caution
And him
kills
easy
truck.
for thumb down. Cause
You know,
show
you
him
feel
face
what
big, you
truck
can't
from.
miss it.
Mm-hmm.
You
But
feel
me I
what
say,
truck from.
that the vice wipe of the match at the face there.
Exactly.
When me say that the pussy hole the face and hear me on chat pan, I say that's just the pussy hole I look.
In favor.
When me match at no, me check someone come maga blood clot boy, you know.
Me think I want slim boy when I say, oh, tell me where you live, man, come circle you. No!
But you know,
You
at
know the
them,
blood clot vice. Look at the face, it look like bullfrog to blood clot. Pussy hole.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, sorry,
The
politics. That's
first,
the Christian, you know.
yeah,
the
man.
first,
I would
the
have
first
messed
PNP mo want take
like
on a big belly read it.
them
Read him mo want knock out.
But you know, say, man catch and kick off, wicked. But yeah.
Who read it?
Blood clot.
Yeah, man,
Read and cash and kick off.
Really tell him, say, him can't deal, he's a caution sign, he can't argue with sign.
him and Mikey natural and all of them.
Rascal, read the deal, I don't like none of them. But me, I just read the deal with them wicked, man.
Jesus.
Read the live still a go on.
You don't know, you know.
You know, the Chromers, you know why these PNP kick off with each other so often? Because they are getting paid to do what they are doing.
Okay.
They are not doing it for a genuine thing as though we are doing it.
Yeah.
Yes. So that's why you see them kicking up, because remember, you know, they have a script, you know. If you notice all them vlog, you know, all of the PNP vlogger, them get a script from 89 Old Hope Road.
Mm-hmm.
So them have to go off of the script.
Yeah.
And when them a tell a lie, it have to sound like it a true.
Yeah.
By election in a month. All right, in a month. The same day after you push out the people, you call. Wait.
What is the issue
We
here?
have a next one where the Minister of Finance
me
come
answer
out of your call next by election. But somebody step down. Somebody step down for over 1 year, and you refuse from calling the by election for that person that step away from over 1 year.
You have been talking for a while, so you somebody else are trying to talk. What is the issue? I'm trying to get at the issue here. Because you're not going to come here and spin the kind of lie that you do over your platform, sir. Oh, take him down.
Can I ask you a question, Mr. Guru? I want to ask you a question. Please. Have we had any tax reform within the last 8 years?
Tax reform?
Yeah, tax reform. The tax system.
Dante, you have to stay and control the people, Dante, man.
Mr. Guru, have we had any tax reform for the past 8 years?
Hey, me I control them in the comments.
As it relates to tax reform, I know Nigeria, when he was finance minister, abolished some distortionary taxes.
All right, but the system hasn't changed, right? The tax system hasn't changed.
Revenue collection has been changed.
Well, no. Listen.
Revenue collection changed. Talk to me. What revenue collection changed? What's your point?
May I ask, Guru, more robust collection, but the system hasn't been changed. The same system that they're using now is the same system that the PNP implement.
What is your point? What is your point?
Listen, the same system that the PNP implement, the JLP is using that same system right now.
So what is your point?
I'm saying if we had the chance to remain in power,
so you have accomplish the same thing that JLP is accomplishing right now.
Wait, I want to hear it.
Listen to me. I lead the PNP party because of bullshit like this. Okay? And when gone, go tell him to unmute his mic.
Wait, speak. Go ahead. Say what you have to say.
I want him to unmute his mic. I'm a chat about a bullshit. Listen to him on another network.
No, speak and then he will respond. Speak or be like he respond.
Richard, listen to me. Listen to me.
I'm not finished, please. I'm not finished. Let me finish and you rebut me.
Listen, no. You said something and you're not making a point. And this is what you do. You go on network and you make some short statements and run. Okay?
I am
Talk
making
to
a
me.
point.
I am a PNP
Let me
that left
finish.
the PNP. I am a PNP that left the PNP party and come to the Jamaica Labour Party. Talk to me about your bullshit.
I am saying, if the tax system has changed, any reform, change the tax system.
No, there is no reform. What's
we
the
have
point?
we have more robust collecting, but it's the same system that was in place for the past 14 years.
And what's your point?
I'm saying, just like the JLP is talking about tax and the collecting tax and what they're doing with the tax money. If we had the chance to do a
Sir, we have 18 and a half years. We have 18 and a half years. 18 and a half years. Because of ignorance, we couldn't get it right. 18 and a half years we have.
Like up with things, sir. Yes.
18 and a half years we have. And because of ignorance, we couldn't get it right.
Again,
the problem we have
system,
yes.
As the tax system change. As the tax system change, yes or no? Yes or no?
It hasn't been changed. The tax revenue has been changed.
What aspect has been changed? What aspect? Can you tell me? I
will
report that.
The revenue
has been changed.
The revenue
that has been changed. What aspect of the tax system has been changed?
Sir, the revenue collection has been changed.
No,
because they're smarter.
More robots has been changed. The same thing.
Sir, they are smarter and more intelligent people came in and did something that the PNP party would have never done.
Just more robots collecting, nothing more.
Yes,
more
that's all we need.
That's not the
country.
That's not the case.
That's not for the country.
It's more than that. It's more than that.
Revenue is what for the country.
It matters who is at the wheel. The kind of driver that is at the wheel, it matters.
Yes, but it's the same system. So if we are we are putting
it has bearing on the point, Richard. It has no bearing on the point.
Top of the screen.
We have a prime standard government in office now that knows how to do, that knows what to do with the money that we collect. So it matters who is at the helm.
But
so the point that you're trying to bring across about the system has no bearing on the point whatsoever.
I don't want to listen, but that is so bull being guru. Listen to me. If we have the same system in place and we have the right person, could it have been worked on the PNP? Just listen what you're saying. It has no bearing on the system. It's the same system.
Repeat it again.
The same system. We might not have an angle the way up, but it's the same system. So if we have the right people in place and do it, we have achieved the same goals as you.
And that means it's a failure on the Jamaica and the People's National Party, not on the government. That's what I mean.
I will skip one more thing. I'll hear somebody say about the new hospital in Adolescent Hospital. If we had a chance to do it, we would have done it because the money was in place before the Jamaica Labour Party came in.
No, sir. You had 18 years. That's what you're trying to make. You had 18 years. 18 years at the wheel. 18 years. You did nothing. You did nothing in those 18 years.
Where the money?
Jamaican people for
Where the money?
17
the money that is building
years.
The money that is building the Adolescent and Congo region. Where that money came from?
Richard.
Let me ask the question. The money that is building the corner which Adolescent Hospital, where that money came from?
From the same tax revenue that's being collected now.
No,
it is the Jamaican people money being collected now.
It's a gift from the Chinese government, brother. It's a gift from the Chinese government.
Talk about people in line and stop chat fuckery.
The money that's building is given by the Chinese to Portia Simsimila. Portia Simsimila signed that agreement in China for the hospital to be building. Check that.
You talk shit. I shit your chat. Stop that. You talk shit.
I am going because you don't know nothing about.
Listen to me, man. Hold on.
You know nothing about
it. Because you know, so you got to talk to me. That's why you want to run. Don't run. Talk to me. Don't run. Talk to me. Leave Guru out of it. Leave him out of it. Talk to me. Talk to me.
Richard, stay.
Talk to me. Talk to me. Don't go to nobody else. Talk to me. Guru. Don't go to nobody else, sir. Talk to me.
Guru.
Talk to me. No. Hey,
Guru.
Because you cannot defeat what I'm saying to you. That's what I'm saying, bullshit.
But the first thing I'm asking Guru to answer me about that. You don't understand that. Guru, call him Guru and tell him about that hospital the money where it came from.
Talk to me.
Call him and tell him where the money come from. Because he's talking bull. But that is not
listen to
taxpayer
me.
money. That money was granted a long time ago.
To do
Feasibility
what?
study and things delayed
Hold on.
the process, right?
Let's have a conversation. The money was granted to do what?
To build the adolescent hospital in Montego Bay.
Sir.
By who? By who?
By the Chinese government. Signed by Portia Simpson Miller.
What? When that signed? When? Which year?
Go and Google and go and do your research.
Which year is signed? No, we're talking to you.
No, come on,
Which year?
Don't
Which year?
Ask Guru. Guru is somebody with knowledge. I respect Guru is somebody with knowledge. I want Guru to talk to me about that. Guru. That man have knowledge and dollar research. You don't know. I want Guru to answer me about that one. Guru.
What year is signed?
Talk to him, Mr. Arvin.
What year did it sign?
Arvin, talk to him, Mr. Samuels.
What year did it sign? That's what I'm asking you. Answer the question. What year did it sign?
I am asking you to go and do your research because I'm saying
no. Sir, anything you come out here, it's supposed to come speak, you're supposed to
One year and 4 months before Portia Simpson Miller left office. It was signed 1 year and 4 months before Portia Simpson Miller left office. Check it out.
What year Portia leave office?
2016, brother.
And you tell me, sir, that after was signed before then?
Yes, it was signed and sealed, but feasibility study delayed because you have to do a lot of study to build, and that was what delayed the process. Check it out, brother. Don't come and talk push we don't know. I don't taxpayer money. That money is grant. Check it out. Anybody can research it.
Sir,
and don't make yourself your ass, brother. People will laugh at you that. Even your own labor supporters will laugh at you if you say that.
Sir,
everybody
knows. As I said, I make it absolutely clear. What me and my family done to the PNP, I guarantee you know the R5.
You're surprised to know, brother.
And I don't have to go into history with it.
You're surprised to know.
But I'm going to talk to you now because as a person who has to left the PNP and become now, not only do I want to be a member of the Jamaica Labour Party, but I'm willing to take my money there with me. See? So I'm going to say this to you. Why you chat to pay fuckery?
Brother, you still no good can answer me because we talk about the tax and make money and that's still a bull. A fool is that, brother. You know about
sir, the difference between the PNP governance and the Jamaica Labour Party governance, see, is a part of management. The People's National Party now have nothing named good management. Absolutely nothing. The PNP governs the PNP party, not the Jamaica. See, the difference is the PNP governs the PNP, the Jamaica Labour Party governs the Jamaica. See, that's why you can see Jamaica resources now is spending on the behalf of the Jamaican people. See, the Jamaican people have benefited from it.
And you can tell me the implementation of the resource that what the resource of the Jamaican people are implement. Tell me the projects. The
resource. Well, you talk about the resource first.
Tell me projects.
Okay. Hold on. Let's start from the first toll road from Jamaica.
Yeah.
The first toll road are built in Jamaica, but they're now named PJ Patterson Highway. Do you know the first leg of that road was Old Harbour Bypass? When that first was built, it was built as a public road, Old Harbour Bypass. How did I know that? My family have contract on that road when it was built.
Old Harbour Bypass?
That's what it was built as. When you go out by Spanish Town, Old Harbour runabout, and go down, you could jump on the road and go Old Harbour Bypass. See? And when the Chinese came in, because we did in so much debt, that we owe the Chinese so much money, we couldn't pay them back. That's what PJ Party give.
Brother. What? Tell people, may I stop this, brother? May I stop it?
Okay, so how did the toll road started?
Brother.
How did that toll road
was built as a highway by Boye Construction from France, brother. Stop talking with you, brother. That was built by Boye.
Hey, it was extended as a toll road.
It was built as a toll road by Boye Construction. Brother, you're not talking. Brother, we get into from. We get into from, brother. Stop talking with you. It was designated a toll road by Boye and Jamaican.
Not in the beginning. The beginning it was built as a bypass. It was
no, brother. It was built as a toll
road. It was built as a bypass.
Jamaican people can't
all the Chinese had.
No.
I don't know. Why they say you are See? Why you send a platform and you not go fact today, sir? Eh? Why you send a
But you
platform
know,
and you not
that's
go
better.
fact?
It was built
Sir,
by
the
Boeing
first
and
thought,
the Jamaica party.
alright.
Jamaica Labour Party.
You know how I,
Jamaica is not ready for a toll road. Boeing
Richard,
construction from
you're
France.
wrong. You are wrong, Richard. You are absolutely wrong.
Miss,
sir,
Listen to
I
what
can take it. I
listen
can make the money.
listen to what
I
Mr.
can make the
Samuel
money.
said.
hey, you're not going to make no money because you're going to lose the money.
Let Mr.
See?
Samuel teach
And it's
you.
them free to bet to make
Learn.
million.
You
Sir,
can't. All right.
I
Who
can,
built that highway, Mr.
Richard,
Samuels?
who?
Who built the highway? Who built it?
It was built by the taxpayer money of Jamaica. When they do the toll road, when they did, as I said,
Which company?
that.
Which company was paying for the building? Which company? Which company?
You ask me a question, let me
Which
answer.
company? No, which
Sir,
company
you ask
built
me
it?
a
Which
question, you want an
company?
answer? You want an answer?
No, I'm asking who was the contracting company that built the highway?
Do you want an, okay, let me tell you, ask me who built the road. That
No, I'm
road was
asking about the
built,
construction. I'm talking about the construction company. Who was the construction company?
sir, that road was built in a
Not
two phase.
relevant.
See? That road was built first.
It's irrelevant because
Sir,
I'm telling you that the road was
hey,
built at it was
focus on
it was
me.
built
Focus
at the
on me. You
highway.
ask me question. You ask me question. Listen. You want answer? Eh? Do you need answers or not? Or you just want talk?
You just talk and talk bull, brother. Come just the way you talk
Yeah,
foolishness.
because if the reality, why you say that in a big man? Because you cannot dispute what I'm saying to you.
Me a
That's
dispute
why I say
because
that.
you not talk.
I am saying to you, if you, sir, have you ever lived in the corporate area, in Kingston?
Yes.
Okay. If you ever live in a Kingston, you don't know say the traffic coming into Kingston from the 90s coming up or before the 90s coming up. A lot of people were work in Kingston coming from we as Manchester that work in a Kingston. Everybody used to have to come to Old Harbour town.
Brother, me know when
That's
it
how the toll road, that's how the bypass was built first.
when the
Delete
free
that.
town come around, I pay traffic I go. Me know when the party
See?
mass in
And
when pass the feed factory.
when they build the bypass, that was to alleviate traffic from Old Harbour town. We were running out so much debt that the country we owe so much money. The first Jamaica going at the power we couldn't pay, we build them. Then after the Chinese them start coming at that time we live at Elsha. The Chinese them start to come in, and the Chinese them come in and we couldn't pay them. So the Chinese come in and PJ Patterson give them that piece of road there and they extend it to make by the money and turn it in a toll road and go drop it out of Mandela Highway.
Brother,
Then
you're talking foolishness.
get
You're talking foolishness, brother. You're talking foolishness. The company that built that highway was
Can I ask you,
Boeing.
can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a
Boeing from
question?
France. Check it out, brother.
Can I ask you a
No
question?
Chinese.
You still a go
Good
back
night,
to
good
who
night,
build
good
it.
night.
Which you
Hold
carry
on,
that?
You
hold
still a
on,
go back
hold
and
on,
ask
hold on.
who build it.
Good night,
Sir, can I
good
ask you
night.
a question?
Hold on,
Can I
let me
ask
tell
you,
you
hold
about the
on,
toll road. A supervisor, a supervisor is for the toll road. Let me tell you about the toll road. The toll road, the toll road was the toll road was a bypass.
What that matter him?
Hold up, no man. The toll road was a bypass. It built to reduce the traffic in Wallaba. It built with CCC company from Kuwait. Then after now, them are go upping it into a highway. So instead the highway go around it and go somewhere differently, then take it and add with the byway cause a one bag of problem down here with Wilmington and Bruce Golden. Then after them say them now reverse it because the majority rule, them say them will put it in at the highway. So them take it and turn it in at the highway for 36 years before
When you say Bruce Golden, what does that mean?
They take it. The Bruce Golden was the prime minister.
No.
Bruce Golden was the opposition. Bruce Golden was the opposition them time. Come on, man.
Hold on, when the road turned into a toll road?
No, it was the opposition. Him in opposition. So after it a cause controversy, them say them all use them own money and bill it for us, Jamaican, for 36 years. And the cause probably say, no, it can't work. We would block up and work. Stop. Whole heap of things are going on and them say, all right, them will take 6 years off of it and put it for 30 years before we Jamaican can own the highway. It don't own by we Jamaican, I know, you know. authority year take the way to hold it. Take from 2000 till now, how much year leave back? And then afterward now, them continue with it. And then take the bypass and put it with the poor road. Then after it cause some local controversy, I go on. Them will take piece off a hit now. With the Chinese them now, we turn it straight across all our way to go a Pigeon Island, I think. Pigeon Island. And the Labour government come in and stop it and say no, because them not sell Pigeon Island. So it all develop, but it all comes down from CCC to Bouygues. Bouygues was the last contractor for it. Okay? I think CCC, I think Curious get piece of it too. So, all of that then them extended from the straight through Kingston. Just so them get it turn into a highway because them never did one build around the bypass. So them take the bypass and put it in a toll road. So that's why all I want to get bypass.
The thing about that is Richard don't know all of that. So where is Richard? Richard, come back up. Come and finish
I want
there.
to go and Google when
Okay,
Highway
so
2
come back
was
up. No, Richard. We're done with that. Because you know fact man.
Listen.
What is something different now? You talk about the IMF and you talk about the IMF and JPS. See? First thing first, the PNP.
I am talking about the highway. Check when the highway was built, the phases and the completion. Check that, brother.
The PNP run away from the IMF in the 90s. See?
Right? We are talking about because we are talking about bypass. Check out the highway. We are talking about highway 2000. When it was started,
2001.
the section that the 50 section or when it completed, that I'm check about. I tell you, the section about highway 2000. When it was built, who construct it? The different phases from Bushy Park to Stanley Bay, Kingston to Bushy Park, and Portmore. I want to check them something, brother. And talk, come and tell people for this.
Tap up the light, come and tell me the pandit light.
No, talk because no one talk. No, talk about highway 2000. When it was constructed.
You never go back when I feel like on. To move on now to something we are telling people like I'm listening to another program I tell like
let me move on to something now. Where
Good evening. What the problem with the highway 2000 now?
Yeah.
No, Chuck, our liberty at the price I run from network to network a chat about a foolishness.
St. Arbin, that's all him do.
You people are attack people. You know this? I have disrespect. I'm not calling about the liar. Me not try to attack nobody, but I know you people. You Finley, you look to attack people personally.
St. Arbin, now you have this discussion all the time, and I have proven on numerous occasions that you are less than friendly with the truth.
Yeah.
But you are less than friendly with the truth.
Oh boy.
Richard, if you tell a lie.
I want to ask you one question.
Can I ask a question quick, Richard?
Yeah, ask me for fast.
Mr. Finley.
Ask me a question real fast. Well on, Chuck. If you tell a lie,
Don't take on.
if you tell a lie, we're not supposed to call you a liar.
When you can prove it's a lie, when you can prove it's a lie, if you feel a lie, if you tell a lie, you can prove it. You're supposed to identify it and prove that I'm a liar.
Mr. St. Arbin, I have proven you to be a liar on several occasions.
All right, and I want you to remember one and tell the platform what lie you can remember that I told you. Just come with one lie.
I have one more question for you. Since you don't want to go down platform.
No,
can I ask a question?
One more question. I've been lying. So I want
I'm trying to tell you, but I make artists go first.
No. Chuck not ready for you yet. Chuck want me out of the way. So let me ask you one question. Can I ask you a question?
Yes, sir.
Top of the screen.
Yeah.
120 people.
If Mark Golden becomes president tomorrow, Prime Minister of Jamaica tomorrow, what is Mark Golden plan for Jamaica?
Is there a manifesto? Did they put out a manifesto?
I don't know, it's your party either.
Why would I want to pray myself before put it on my manifesto and explain to you or the Jamaica for Jamaica what I'll do? Put a manifesto and explain the manifesto explain to the country what I'll do. What the Senate are doing now?
So he don't have a plan right now.
We are not even in an election here, but we are trying to ramp up the party and everything. So why should we do that now?
Get dirty up, you know.
Why should we do that now?
So well, may I ask a question? So well, because if you value your people, him saying he's a Jamaican, which he's not. But if you value Jamaica and the Jamaican,
because trust me, for me, white people and everything contribute to Jamaica more than we as black people. So don't go there. No,
it has nothing to do with color.
I mean, you're not running it. And trust me, don't go there.
You have nothing to do with the color of his skin.
Leave that alone. Leave that alone. Leave that alone. That is low.
I'm simple asking you
one. We are out of many. We are one.
Don't tell me believe not that one. I'm a Jamaican. You want me put up a birthday?
Hold on.
Yes, it was low. It was low.
Let me ask him something. Hold up.
It was low. It was low.
Hold on, Richard. Hold on.
If you find out that.
Hold up. Listen, Richard. One at a time, man. One at a time.
I have never supported that. No time.
One at a time. Richard, hold up now. One at a time. Control it one at a time.
It is so funny that exactly at this moment, not one PNP ever supported Colin Siaga white man. Then who used to do it? If none of you never do it, who used to do it then? All of a sudden, the shoes is on the foot. Not one of you did support it when it happened. But yet,
did you people call him? Did you people call Mr. Patterson's black scandal bag?
No, we did not.
No, he did not.
No, we did not.
No, sir. I see I gonna just a black scandal bag. No, I turn it and say I got a black scandal bag. Don't do that. Don't do that.
No.
Don't do that.
Chuck, you might refer me correctly.
There was 120 people. Let me tell you how the black scandal bag saga go.
Just don't pull up scandal. So they can't. So say like a black scandal bag.
But Mr. Siaga was on this political platform lamenting the amount of scandal that covered the PNP. And he take out one whole heap of bag out and pocket and say them a scandal. See them there? One of the bag just happened to be black. When the news media, the corrupt, the dirty corrupt,
so ironic. That's why I was about black and he used that, yeah? It was planned.
And what if black was there? He wasn't calling DJ, he was calling the party.
That's one part. That's one part of the argument. It's the same way, Chuck. It's the same with PNP. I come tell people say, "Oh, Andrew promised, so we can sleep with the door and window open." That was not what the Prime Minister promised. You know, promise nobody that. But they take a piece of the narrative and twist it and turn it. And turn it into something that it is not.
I can't state that. As a person who has traveled to other countries, I have never, ever used a person's race or color to judge them in any way.
All of a sudden, none of you do it. So all of the PNP,
I can speak for myself. I have traveled more than 9 countries. I have traveled more than 9 countries, and I can say,
Richard, don't tell no lie. You tell me that you was telling about Siaga. You tell me. You know that your government is white. You told me we were friends, Richard, and you told me that you don't like Siaga. That's why I believe you. You told me that you don't like
Siaga. Richard, I'm telling you something, man. I'm telling you what's surprising now. You see what goes around, comes around. You guys never did know say this like it or no. You never know say Jamaica Labour Party stand up on their foot like this so firm. You never know the Jamaica Labour Party win election. You never know the Jamaica Labour Party gain so much on a stretch. Them and sky the limit. I'm surprised. So no one twist everything. Now things that turn. See return from one of my leader banner. My gold in the banner. I know that. When teach them there. The team return from Uno again. When Uno talk about white man. A lot of things the team return from Uno and can't accept it. I'll tell you something, Richard. Uno would never live to see the PNP run back Jamaica. Have a good night.
Really?
Time now. Right
I'm
now.
the lies that he told me, and I have to prove him wrong one night. One night, late night, me and him up on my platform. And Mr. St. Arbin came on and told us that in the 70s there was a coup in Jamaica while Michael Manley declared a state of emergency, and I proved him today.
One plan coup, and I can call names.
No,
plan coup,
anybody can call name, but calling name does
wait was plan, and what happened then? Wait was plan.
That the army.
Richard, I want a man them plan coup him.
No,
I want a man them plan coup him.
Well, brother, the head of it was Filbert Trenchfield, a man from
Jamaica military said
Hold on, man. The head of it was Filbert Trenchfield.
The military in Jamaica said
they meet at the RJR Sports Club. Yeah? RJR.
Mr. Richard, that is the same lie you told and I proved you wrong the night.
You peep me wrong?
Because the head of the military in Jamaica
documented that the coup was being planned. Let's just part of it. Let's just part of the meeting with Filbert Trenchfield. Oh, listen, brother. Susan Ike from
the head of the military said that's a lie.
Brother. I don't know the name, but you name, brother. Because
the head of the military, you are a liar.
Information you are privy to me, privy to. I can't tell you that. I'm going to go further.
Head of the military says you are a liar. It doesn't matter.
Richard,
military intelligence says
but I think I can't name, I can call him. I was documented. The head of that planning thing was Mr. Filbert Trenchfield from St. Thomas. And check it up, brother. Me say, I am privy to information you don't privy to. Don't come and report.
You don't know what the info that I am privy to. Listen to me. You don't know what I am privy to. You have no
I know what I am privy to.
You haven't explained.
What I was privy to, you are not, and you will never be privy to. I can tell that. Straight up, I can tell you that.
What I know is that you, Mr. St. Arbin, are a proven liar.
You listen and explain to you. So come with the next slide because I know something I tell you.
You are a propagandist. You had a military intelligence at the time.
As simple this. We don't want no white man here. No white man now run. We are Jamaica.
You know what white man in Jamaica? You know what white man in Jamaica? Our biggest earner in Jamaica, a white
He's
people.
not an earner. He's an earner in
you think that job or
Bahamas. He's an earner in Bahamas.
Which part my golden band?
Jamaica.
England.
Prove it.
You start at Jamaica. Which hospital?
England.
I don't know.
Why did you say you have evidence today?
You have evidence that the band in
Hold on, Chuck.
Yes.
Hold on. Richard.
Post in birth paper. Post the evidence.
Richard, hold on, Richard, hold on. Do you know the number one way to become a citizen of any nation?
I'm a citizen of the United States of America, brother.
No. Do you know the number one way? The number one way. There are three ways. Do you know the number one way?
I was born in Jamaica and I'm a citizen of the United States of America.
Sir, the question I asked you. There are three ways. Do you know the number one way to become a citizen of a nation?
No, because I'm not a citizen of
okay, hold on. By your parents. That is the British. The British is the constitution of our constitution, the right constitution.
Yeah.
Your parents. And the reason why the British made it so is because back then, even till now, the British travel globally. That's why they have territories and all kind of stuff like that.
Yes, they control the Commonwealth. They control the Commonwealth. They control the Commonwealth.
Hey, let me show you the Mark Gold and Jamaican. That's what I'm trying to prove to you. See? So back then, the reason why they do it is because the British have traveled so wide and far. They protect their people by saying, listen, anywhere in the world you go and give birth, as long as one of the parents is British, that child is automatically a British citizen first and foremost. See? So even if Mark Gold and both parents are British, and they come to Jamaica and they give birth, just give him the benefit that they do saying born at Jamaica. Just give him that benefit. Saying born at Jamaica.
Havel, yesterday on Mr. Golden's own platform,
he grew up at Jamaica.
Words. He says,
I grew up here. My children were born here.
Me hear him. But that give Richard the benefit. I say he went born at Jamaica. Even though if he went born at Jamaica, which he said he didn't, he said he grew at Jamaica. See? And he even give Jamaican a new title yesterday, which I never heard of before. I say he was African Jamaican. No. Let me finish up. Let me finish what I say.
Believe it.
Let me finish what I say.
So why no? Why the problem
Let
now?
me finish. May I prove it to you, say I'm a Jamaican? That's what I do. See? So, in both parents is Jamaican, is British. Even if they give birth to him at Jamaica, the reason why he can't hold a British passport before he even think about a Jamaican passport, because he knows him is a British because his parents are British. That's why he could get a British passport. You know? See? Because in parents. See? So give him the benefit. The thing about it now, and I want you to listen to me keenly and clearly. Because of the Commonwealth situation, he's legally can hold an office as member of parliament. He can even go as far as become prime minister, but he cannot serve as prime minister. He cannot serve. And the reason why he cannot serve as prime minister, but I'm going to tell you no. The British Constitution make it absolutely clear that no British citizen in the world, no British citizen can go nowhere in the world and hold an office of defense. That's the British Constitution. Who is the Minister of Defense in Jamaica?
The Prime Minister.
The Prime Minister.
The Prime Minister is Minister of Defense. So he cannot hold that office.
Thank you. Teach him
He
that.
cannot hold the office.
Teach him that.
Hold on. Sorry, I'm not done with that yet. Hold on. Hey, you're going to get the time. Stop. You're going to get the time. You're going to get the time.
Even my dad to me, respond.
Sir, hold on. You're going to get the time. Never stop. But you're going to get the time. So, this is how I'm going to end up happening. Either the British have to go amend their constitution and take that out of it, or we Jamaican have to go amend our constitution and take the office from the Minister of Defense, from the Prime Minister, and make a different portfolio for that. See? So that simply means Mark Golding, even if he cannot serve, even if he win Prime Ministership, he cannot serve. See? So if Mark Golding get up tomorrow, ask somebody to go by the British High Commission and listen.
It's the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard.
Wait there.
The most ridiculous thing I've ever heard. Yes.
Sir, you are telling people to go Google. You are telling people to go Google.
The most ridiculous thing I've ever heard.
You are telling people
Orville.
Yeah.
Wait there. Orville, sorry. Can you repeat that for me, please? About Mark Golding being cannot be Prime Minister. Can you repeat that for me, please?
He can be Prime Minister, but he cannot serve as Prime Minister. And the reason for that is the British Constitution will not allow him to. See?
Wait, did you say he can be Prime Minister, but he can't serve as Prime Minister?
He cannot serve. So technically, what that means is, because based on our system, the way our system is set up, he can legally be, sir, Richard, this is a conversation bigger than you, so listen and learn. This is it. Based on the Commonwealth situation, see, he can legally be a member of Parliament. I remember all our system set up. The leader of your party, if that party go to the people and that party win, the leader of that party automatically become the Prime Minister. See? So elect as a Prime Minister is different from serving as a Prime Minister. See? So you cannot serve as a Prime Minister. You don't become the Prime Minister until you swear in, and the Governor General sign off. See? That's when you become a Prime Minister. That's where the problem starts for Mark Golding. See? So one, he elected as Prime Minister over there, so. But he cannot swear in as a Prime Minister because of the British Constitution. You understand that, HR?
Wait, that sounded a little bit confusing, Orville, and as a fellow Labour, I understand what you're saying, but if the information, if we have a duty to stamp out incorrect info. No.
Yes. Tell me Richard, you wait. Richard, hold on.
With the Orville.
Right.
As it presently stands,
Yeah.
Mark Bolin, God forbid the PNP's win the election, right? He can be prime minister. He can be prime minister based on
He
our
can
system.
elect.
He can be prime minister.
No, he can elect it as prime minister.
No, we don't elect prime ministers. Prime ministers are not elected. Remember that. They're not elected. Prime ministers are appointed.
By the people.
There's a difference. There's a difference.
It's a two-step process. When he go to the people and when I go as a like a JLP or PNP and you go as a leader of the party, see? And the people, the majority, you need 33 seats, and you get 33 seats, see, or 32, and then you're appointed as you're selected as prime minister. The governor general is the one that has signed off as any ministers or member of parliament. That process, when you reach that process, there's a full stop before the governor general can sign off on that.
Right, but the point, right, you have the concept. The thing is, each party, everybody in the House of Representatives go to the people as MPs, as candidates for a constituency. But the leader of the party that gets the most votes is by convention appointed by the head of state as prime minister. Right? So prime ministers are not elected, they are appointed. That's the point I'm trying to make. You have the concept too. But just to make it quite clear that we do not elect prime ministers, they are appointed. Right? And by convention, the leader of the party that gets the most votes is appointed by as PM. Now, in our system, Mark Golding can serve as prime minister. He can.
He can, but if he's a British citizen.
Excuse me. Hold on. The prime minister is selected, not appointed. He's elected as an MP first, and the political party select him to be the party leader, and the party leader becomes the prime minister.
No, but remember, Philip, he's already he's already selected, as a leader of the party. He's already, because when they go to the elections, when JLP and PNP go to elections next year, they go to the electorate with both men being the leaders of the party. Andrew is leader of the JLP, Mark Golding, president of the PNP. So they're already selected as leader. They already have the leadership of their parties.
Yes.
But when after the election and a party get the most vote, it is the governor general that appoints the leader of the party that gets the most vote as the PM.
Yes, and that's where the roadblock.
Appointed.
And that's where the roadblock come in now for Mark Golding, because based on the British Constitution, no British citizen can hold any office outside of Britain that have anything to do with defense. Okay, that's where the roadblock come in now for Mark Golding. So that's what I'm trying. That's the point that I'm trying to.
That is so ridiculous.
So Richard, listen to me. Richard, this is a conversation.
I want to make an say eye for an eye. We not stop calling white man. No white man can lead us. None. We don't want no white man lead.
One question. If Mark Golding was a Labourite, would you have a problem with it? Please answer that.
A PNP, come up with a problem with
it. I don't have problem with
it. I don't think there's nobody in the Jamaica
Labourite. I wouldn't have a problem with Labourite with white man.
Hold on. Do you have any white man in your party?
You still not get the jiffy now.
White man, Mark Golding.
Still not get the jiffy now. A tooth is a tooth. I want to do. I get back to one.
Is one back in mother yard.
Is there any white man in your party right now?
Brother Richard, lift up your man and go here, man. We not really like chat to PNP.
Display darkness.
PNP no straight.
Display darkness.
You see, yes, son red.
PNP no original. On the mind, free to chat to no.
Display around.
And that people do lift up and go on. It's a style of lift up and go on.
We're having a discussion.
Discussion. Oh, no discussion with nobody. Oh, no clear discussion. Oh, never admit nothing. We can admit and say, yes, this happened, but oh, never admit nothing. Oh, never hold nothing according to oh, no care what you do and it's wrong. I know uno. Anything on do on the life when people do
Labor, I do not know what you say, yeah. When you
never
lie and
do.
tell lie, you can't
On
admit to
the
it.
lie you not tell. On no so never win one election. You know PNP never win one clear and fair election.
No, never give fiat money down Arnold Town.
So if you chat up town. I'll lift up on it. Go away.
You have any evidence about that?
Yeah,
What do you mean?
but a woman can tell you that say, fiat money she get for vote for now. Last Friday, fiat money on the girl.
What Indian Town of Clarendon?
Yeah, fiat money them give the lady.
When Dan Walk was the leader,
you want to show it over there with some people some money on the boxwood? You want to show
Dan Walker was there.
You want me to show you video where give people money on the boxwood?
Listen to me. There was
alien town and they give fiat money in a vote. In a fiat, cause the people that know about you now find out about you now.
At a senior person at a government entity.
I talk about have real two people can come talk around. Them want to buy out south and couldn't buy it out.
Jamaica on the mashup. On the mashup, Marcus Garvey, you know. I wouldn't mash up Marcus Garvey, I don't know what Jamaica, you know. I see I can bring Marcus Garvey, everybody come back in Jamaica, you know. I wouldn't mash up Marcus Garvey, I don't know, you know.
Hold on.
You know what?
I will check. What check the history of Marcus Garvey and the interaction with Jamaican government and state and the English government, the American government when they deport him and state who deny Marcus Garvey.
Tell no about the white boy.
Michael Manley, father, who deny him? I only not fight against him. One chop off his head. What?
Check your
facts. Me I tell about. Me I tell about.
You're not one of the JLP where you have worried him for make him move him shit himself for me.
Me I tell about.
Yeah. Display
shit out.
Display arrogance. Display. Let the world
I don't display arrogance, but we can't have no discussion with Uno. You see, Uno PNP never can hold a good discussion. Uno never hold. No, so all people for reason with Uno.
With intelligent people.
All right. Uno, let me show you something. How much are we apart? You see, all of we on this platform that you talk things that we agree with it. And not one of we talk anything on the platform that you agree with it. Not one of we say anything that you agree with it. I know till the night with up on the platform attack. And you know said yes, me agree with that. And look how much we agree with things that you say.
Nice,
you
nice paper. You display nice paper. You
lift up and go, man. You know, real good. You're black.
You're doing okay.
You come like Michael Manley. We don't look at black and black style. And I cut up on one like son of smile.
Go Richard. And at the same time, me left you, no Richard. You're batty man, that's why me left you.
I'm the father of 15 children with 7 babies. I can
see you and you, Richard. You saw no? I am
the father of 15 children with 5-6 baby mothers. Well, I have trouble.
How much baby mother? Look at that man how much baby mother. Far away kill him baby mother and him baby.
Don't invite
him secret.
One agreed. What's your name, Michael Manley? What's your them see one the Michael Manley? Them see one the Michael Manley, so you know. And them see one Michael Manley, you know. Them see one, you know. And that's Michael Manley.
My friend talk now. My friend talk.
I am well loved and I am well popular in Jamaica.
Richard came go Spanish tongue go dash me bed. That boy there, a man me go catch him with you know that. Yo, I feel don't know one. You want to get alive. You see Richard, you wicked. You dash me first speak. You can't go back and dash me bed.
You're very rude.
I joke store. You,
very rude.
You, and a man me go catch you with. I'm going to click out you.
Nice one. Nice one, man.
Wait. I really think this.
I will laugh about that.
Know me. Richard,
I will laugh about it. I'm living in Mandeville now, and you can check me out. Real straight as a arrow. Straight as a arrow.
You know, remember me?
Richard, we can't believe you. We can't believe you, Richard.
Richard, cheers, lady.
I will never go down that route and be
like that.
If you notice, I have never
come up firm like a wall pounder.
I have never tried to
be funny, mad.
I have never tried to
funny by the amount of magic laugh.
I have never tried that. and I've never tried to disrespect anybody in that way. So I just think you are
No,
being
but
rude.
Richard,
Do you know her in person? Ask Richard if you know her in person.
Richard tonight. Me
No,
pick
I
you up
don't
there,
know her.
Richard not gonna accept me. Richard not gonna accept you.
No, I don't know her. If I'm weird, I don't know her.
You need the same breed
That's a
and
blatant lie, man. But that is just being low. That's just being low.
you don't know me.
That's just being low.
That's why you turn it PNP, you. If you don't give me back me picky, then what you going to do with you? You.
You want what? Me have nothing. You can't get one, you know. A 15 me get. You can't get one. 15 me get. You can't get one.
You know 15 because you dash a film because you ain't want to turn batty man, you.
Mommy not take it and see the body. Not take none, then see the body.
You weren't qualified to be my baby mother. That's why. You weren't qualified to be my baby mother.
Yo,
I think I was a step above you, so I made the right choice to get involved with you. So that's why I keep my mind because you weren't qualified. You weren't at the standard that I was looking. I was looking some well educated.
You remember which was when I go with
you know you're saying on that one. You know you're saying on that one.
The type of person you are, I walked away.
So you're saying another day.
You're saying on that one.
No, you're saying another
You just a whole.
I just have to shit from that shit.
You just a mix up yourself.
No, I better throw shit because she don't know her, brother. Believe me, man. Me just tell her because she throw shit back on her.
That's a can't shit, brother.
Me I try to make she smart, but I don't know her for real, man. Me not tell her. Me don't know her.
Really, Richard? Really, Richard?
So Richard,
Me don't know her for Adam, brother.
19-year-old
just you know a woman.
I mean 19, Richard. Richard, you forget about me.
I'm nowhere near your age, and I will never go old. And you're too old for me. You're too old for me.
Oh dear God.
You're too old for me. I will look that way, but I don't know if it's true. I want to look your way because you're too old for me.
Richard, remember who you was before you turned PNP, you know? I remember I said the PNP man use you, you know, Richard. Remember the car when we kept you in, you know, Richard.
I gotta come back to the talk.
Where I'm from?
I'm a Richard meeting man.
Please,
Richard.
Where I'm from?
Richard.
Where I'm from?
Remember,
Richard,
let me talk something there.
Where I'm from? Where I'm from?
Tonight to drop down.
I'm not drop down because I would look you too old for me. So if I even know you. If I even know you, I will look your way because you're too old for me. I won't look if I don't know you. Trust me. I will look you if I know you, I will look you.
The big PNP man did old for you when he take you in the car, go back to you. When we catch you.
Yeah, man. Talk we want talk. That's nice way of trying to tell me, but I don't know you from Adam and you don't know me. I'm sure you don't know me.
Yo, David, me going on my belly now.
That's just being disrespectful and rude. It's not a platform.
Why me not say I like? I can't trust my PMP. You know, wicked and lie. So I can't say I like. Me don't know if you say, but you know, wicked and lie.
I've never met this lady that don't know if I had, but she don't.
We can't believe you, brother. We can't believe you. We can't believe you.
Come on, if you have to go, me
and
say
if she said, where you know from? You don't know.
The biggest propaganda. They have the biggest lying machine. So we can't believe you.
God. Not say so.
Not say so, man.
Richard, can I say a question,
man?
Not say so, man.
Richard, again?
Not again. Him dumb.
Richard, still there, man. You don't make him feel small. You don't make him feel small.
What you say? You ever say never have liberate yet and what then deal with liberate? You mean I'm playing no mercy upon the PNP now.
Not say so, man.
He gone.
I'm here.
God.
Richard.
I'm here, man. I don't want to hear.
You still answer my question.
You know, I'm not afraid to contest any JLP supporters because I know I come in facts and I'm good. But you know, when she that I won't get low and disrespect in any way like what you do. But yeah.
I need the answer to my question. If Mark Golden should come Prime Minister tomorrow morning, what is Mark Golden plan for Jamaica?
Look at this page. Go on this page and you'll see.
We don't want team page. We want 8 5.
No, man, go on this page.
Sir, what is your party leader? So you don't know your party leader?
Let's go on this page. And you will see. And get more understanding from what he's saying. Maybe I won't be able to.
David, why you keep on add me?
Sir,
you have a request.
No, I'm not saying none.
Maybe if you read it, and honestly, because you can go and read it.
No more hear from your mouth. You want a propaganda.
I am not able to explain in full to you in depth as how you want. So I'm saying, if you want to read it, you can go and read and get in depth, you get a better understanding.
No, when you talk, you get a better understanding.
No, I don't think that way. When you read, they say we must read.
You don't want to read, you want to bring propaganda. So you're supposed to tell me where I come with, that we can understand.
Well, I'm a creator just China. I'm a creator who just China. Well, I'm a creator with there just China. I'm a creator where I say.
Richard, where the FinStack reports about Mark Golding because he's the love read.
There is not a FinStack report, brother.
Oh,
no FinStack
so
report. I mean,
there's no FinStack report.
No archive.
You
no
see, you see,
not a FinStack report. All right.
Your paper where you do, you know, one way or the other, you know.
FinStack report? Is there a FinStack report, brother?
Yes, there is one.
Who for
Why it hasn't been published?
Which trio in terms of individuals?
Hold on now.
Names were called.
If there's a FinStack report, why it hasn't been published?
DB and G, man. You're two top coat. You're two top coat. Have a problem with Mark Golding being a citizen of Jamaica. However,
No white man. No white man we don't want to
big man,
no
that
white.
would be freedom fighters.
Different things. Shut up your mouth and listen, my brother.
No white man we don't want to live with.
Shut up your
Big
mouth
man,
and
that is
listen,
an outright insult to our freedom fighters who would have gone through blood and life loss to avoid them type of people from being prime minister. Them can't stay here as visitors. Them can't stay here as residents, but them not supposed to put up themselves to candidacy to be prime minister. They can't stay here, live here and do business here. However, the honorable thing, don't push up your hat as being or if you want to be prime minister, boss. That is an insult to our freedom fighters. Big man, remember what the PNP would have done to Edward Siaga. The same sentiments we're having now, the same sentiments the People's National Party had against Siaga, boss. How you going to remember, Mr. Shallow?
That person who attacked is sick. JLP plus, you're a sick person.
You are fifth columnist. You are fifth columnist. You are the one who use tell out your black people, the white man.
No, rubbish. You're party more.
Rubbish.
Party rubbish. When Mark Golding is 28, Andrew is not a character. Andrew is not a family. When you walk a call a man 28, when you try to do the character assassinate him. So when you want to get character assassination against somebody and you don't want it to happen to you, what you going to do? Put up defense and say color difference, same assassination of character. You walk and you shot allegation from the man. So Andrew is not a family. Andrew is not a family. Andrew is not a family.
Only fan Jamaica live
Andrew is not a family. He's not feeling too. So why character assassination against the man with no authentication to prove the allegations, boss? What kind of damn
Richard, the mind stagnant, Richard. Lift up and go.
Your leader, the people of Jamaica say we call the prime minister, our prime minister 28. That's the direct assassination.
No white boy around here. No white boy around here. None.
I won't go to drain you. You know what I'm doing?
No white boy. We said stop what the whole state. Stop what the JLP said. We said we the people of Jamaica say we don't want no white boy the prime minister here. Live here, raise family here, do business here. But you will not be prime minister here.
Jamaica, our country, and I'm Mark Golding country, our country, Mark Golding, go back.
You can't go in and go to prime minister. Most of the people go to city, I'm going to go to prime minister, boy.
Baby.
You can't do business in England. You can't raise family in England. You can't push up your hat in a ring. It's going to be Prime Minister, boy.
Mark Golden can't be Prime Minister of England, so he can't go home.
Hey boy, where justice will have people again? Up to now, we still like meet injustice, racial injustice in our workplace by white man. Enough is enough. We take it like that, but we not take it from him being a Prime Minister of Jamaica. Because up to now, we still go through racial injustice. So no evidence that did if sister, we must neutralize Mark Golden. We no have no evidence, sister, we must neutralize the white race all now. Because the white race come here as tourists, but them still not make our lives better when we are tourists in their countries. So there's no fucking letting up of the black people by these whites. So stop going like your damn mouth because you cannot do as you like in a no white country. They allow you to do business there, they allow you to raise family there. As you fuck yourself, where they put you? You know, matter if it's born in Jamaica, where they put you. Stop it. Mark Golden, live here is enough. Do business here is enough. Raise family here is enough. Teach Jamaica money with Finstock is enough. You're not going to be Prime Minister here, sir. Not under our watch. I don't know, Andrew Wallace said that we the people said. Go back to England.
Good night, guys. Good night.
Where somebody defend that?
Give me a second here with Richard St. Albin. What 28 you talking about? What the IC is about 28?
Oh, God. Did I mention one of your peer person talk about 28 bank account?
I said
your party leader said Jamaica must call in 28. He use a platform to say Jamaicans must call in 28.
Somebody said to you, one of your people said they must about 28 about ID and say ask the IC about it.
Does Andrew owners have 28 bank accounts?
I say ask the IC about that. I don't know.
Does
your fucking lead about it, but ask IC. Ask fucking Mark Golden where I tell people to call him so.
Does Andrew owners have 28? Did you read anywhere in the IC report where it said Andrew owners have 28 bank accounts?
Go on top of the screen. Go on top of the screen, Tom.
Ask your question. Answer me if you want.
All right. No. Did I say he have 28 bank accounts? Did I say that?
I asked you, does he have 28
bank? I didn't say that on the answer because I didn't say it. I didn't mention it.
You said so, man. For your PNP, you said so. As a PNP man, black and tan. You said so too.
Good night, people. Good night. Have a good night.
You're good.
Where go, Richard? Get some good
night, man. Wish you the worst night, man. Don't wish you no good night. Don't wish you no good fucking night.
You turn fish and make me dash me belly. You turn fish and make me dash me belly. I don't want to give me maintenance. What you mean? You must get your ass. Wait. So long. Remember, she grape, you grape me the first time me go a PNP meeting, you grape me. And now you gone.
Even my grandfather was a comrade, and that man demonized Siaga. That man demonized Siaga under the same moniker where PNP do it. The same words that the comrades them say. I call him all kind of name until me grew up and find out for myself true history. I've been on the PNP, all I know wicked and fifth columnist to Jamaica. And I don't know why I'm gonna take so long to take out of that country here, because I know a fifth columnist.
Let me never see about this afro.
He can't answer say if
him not for a PNP, he must sit there of youth rising, sitting under there. I've seen him sister well, him now on a chance, like all the Indian will come on a chance, then he switch and say PNP and then push him up, put him in a PNP sector. Because I remember say, I know PNP him come from and say, well, the PNP thing, you know, uprising something under there, you know. And then go some and then force him to have money, you know, because the PNP stand love licky things, you know. That's cool, man.
Active duty, what relevant authorities have to do? We attack on the live, say. Make him go away.
We don't govern by Broadcasting Commission, you know. Remember, we don't govern by Broadcasting Commission, nor TikTok Commission. We just talk as we feel. Remember, good.
Yeah, grandmother, me want to answer me. If the Prime Minister
come on, me attack.
He can't answer, run gone. You think you don't know what I do?
Shower.
He make me
remember this, you know. Remember this. PNP have two track record, you know. One of them My track record them is lying. I want them to baptize him. So remember that.
No left for propaganda, man. You have to put
Yeah, man.
propaganda.
So don't expect nothing but shit to come out of them mouth. Don't expect nothing better.
And mash up country. Mash up country are their middle name. Are them first name.
Cause clearly, Richard talked a while ago, and I be a shit that come out of him mouth. They mix up with body shit, no must come out of your mouth. Man attack when Peter's dropping a attire.
Labor. The biggest question was asked earlier if Andrew not have family too. Because when the white boy talk about how people are deal with racism, when he call the PM, Prime Minister,
Andrew,
how does it him not realize how it affect the man two son them and him wife and the man mother and father? Him not realize that.
Maybe when him a do it, Andrew,
Yeah.
are you one of them, Andrew? And anytime Andrew address him, Andrew say,
Mark Golding no come out and say nothing about the lady with Andrew is gonna suck your mother. Why did Mark Golding didn't come out at that lady for the character disrespect at our highest man, the Prime Minister, man of God, but him deserve the respect. That's our Prime Minister, whether you love him, hate him, JLP or PNP. Mark Golding is just so true. Why haven't you called out your fellow comrade woman to apologize to the Prime Minister, not because she obligated, but out of respect?
Yeah,
Them live on illicit 6, them live on illicit 6, them live on illicit 8, them live on bank account.
He did it too. He might instigate it more and more.
Instigated.
Yeah.
Up to now, no hierarchy, man. The PNP no call out the lady and say, lady, this is not the direction we wish Jamaica to go, regardless of you being a comrade. Mark Golding, fix that lady business first, then you can talk to us. Other than that, keep your ass that the Prime Minister afraid of this country. Because you will not be Prime Minister of this place.
Not at all. You say him to fix the lady himself. Need to fix because of him are the instigator and him I make the comment him and him body chairman kids meal. See the two of them they make the same comment about the PM are criminal. I want to know how the PM who son them feel when they are road, right? And I want to know how the PM mother feel.
when they go on.
Hey, me tell you, this thing I told you.
Hey, allegedly, see man them in a PNP party, allegedly, them love kill one trainer. Allegedly, them man them people go away. Them not rate man. Can't rate PNP, MP them not good.
When let me tell you something. When they attack the Prime Minister Pitney, when they attack the Pitney them, and they say how what wrong with one. Remember one last Christmas when they take their family Christmas picture and Glean and look for one of the worst picture where they look a boy never prepare to take the picture and then post up the picture and then pass on remarks about him, then disrespect the Prime Minister mother, then say the man where she saying father and then right father and then have Andre Stevens sit down on platform with Isaac Buchanan and the one of them sit down and then call him Bramwell. Then say the most vile things against Mrs. Owens. Richard, come talk about the Prime Minister.
The white man must go home.
No white boy now lead way. Remember,
no white boy. No white boy. No create from pastor, you know. If just come on. If just come from the platform, create for you know. Talk no pastor, create what you say.
Pastor Moody. Pastor Moody? Okay, you have to go down.
Pastor already. Mive. The race or the ethnic group of reference has yet to convince our race or our ethnic group or our people. So them willing to go forward with us unitedly and peacefully. We are still being racially attacked in these countries. So not even them countries that neutralize themselves with us all know.
All right.
If
So
that was the
Rich
case,
come now.
the British government
Yeah,
would
man.
have compensated Jamaica a long time for the atrocity them with them cars far away. So up to now, not even them no neutralize themselves to a dimension. So we're not just in the system again. We use no puppet. We come back on hard way similar to how they do it in the past with no modern way. Not at all. Because